Hi, see this sexy stuff on my hand? This is WiZAVIU D10 dash camera. It's not only a camera, and it's way different from those navigation cameras on the market. Surely it contains all navcam function, and something even more. WiZAVIU D10 dash camera is like a computer dedicated to AI DSP computing, such as ADAS and DMS. Another point is its LTE connectivity, which means it's 3G, 4G, and 5G supportable for real-time visibility. You can insert your SIM card here. And by the way, here's a SD card slot to store images if needed. Through video live streaming, users can have real-time report to backend control center. Also, for emergency alert by pressing this button. Furthermore, it's important to mention about its expandability. You can easily connect with OBDII, other devices or sensors via USB Type-C port, or these two Farquhar connectors, and monitor the status through this 3-inch screen if needed. If you're interested in knowing more about our WiZAVIU solution, feel free to contact with us.